Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I got my Craftsman T240 mower. It is just about done with the warranty on the engine. 3-year warranty, almost 3 years. So I said to myself, what can I do to save a few bucks? Because we know that prices are rising. These companies aren't backing off. The maintenance kit to this thing is 70 bucks around me, even online where I can grab it. And that is insane. It was 50 bucks just last year, the year before. Nope. So, what I did was I looked up everything and I figured out what I could do. See, I'm using the Turf Guard 1030 4-cycle engine oil. I could have ordered the Kohler oil, but this will work. I looked it up. This will work in the engine. The Kohler oil has extra zinc and all that. This might, I don't know, but it will work. I know that. The Fram Extra Guard pH 3614 oil filter. You got to be careful with oil filters because it has to be like a car oil filter, which is what this is. And it has to be short enough to clear the steering, which this does barely. So that's awesome. And then I went to the Autolite small engine spark plug, the 3924, 2 of them. Now you're saying, okay, that's all name brand stuff. Well and good. What about this stuff that does not look name brand? Okay, my reasoning is these are definitely cheap fuel filters. This is definitely a cheap air filter. If these are no good, I'm going to test them. If these are no good, then it won't get air and the engine will stop, or it won't get fuel and the engine will stop. Should be no major damage to the engine. This seems like very, very similar to the original. Even has the foam blue-green outer piece. And these, the fuel filter, the fuel delivery system to this engine, there is no pump. It's all gravity. So there's not a lot of pressure going to it. It's just basically just dripping down. So these should hold out well. You're asking me price. Okay. The original Kohler maintenance kit, it is 70 bucks. For 2 of these filters, 10 bucks, $5. For 10 of these filters, 10 bucks, $1 each. These are $9 each. This was almost $5, and these were almost $2 each. That is under 33 bucks for maintenance for 1 year on this engine. And see, beauty of it, next year all I gotta do is buy more oil filter, and spark plugs. That is, let me calculate this real quick because I did not calculate this beforehand. 9, 18, 23, $27. 27 bucks. Not too shabby. You gotta save money where you can, don't you? So if you go the same route, just, you could save some money. Save almost 40 bucks. Now, I know where I can put some of that money. I know you do too. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.